apprenticeship programme is a good route for the youth of today because it allows them to get hands-on training. It's much more practical than the theoretical route. Here at EEF we started 100 first-year apprentices locally and then another 50 nationally, which is a massive input into a first-year apprentice scheme. So the demand is just growing.
At EEF we spend a lot of time supporting would-be apprentice applicants. We recognise that careers advice is maybe not as good as we think it should be. Potential apprentice candidates are sometimes struggling, so we put a lot of effort into to map candidates against potential apprenticeship vacancies, going through selection testing, giving them independent and impartial advice, but obviously with the view to them securing an apprenticeship with one of our key employers.
The manufacturing sector is a very exciting sector to be in. We make products ranging from the brake calipers for the Bugatti Veyron. I was at a company this morning who make the engine blocks for the McLaren Formula One cars. It's a massive variety. It's fast-paced, it's energetic, it's enthusiastic, and every day is different.
In terms of the salary that an apprentice can potentially earn, typically first-year apprentices are on somewhere between £150 and £180 per week. By the time they get into their fourth year as an apprentice, they can be on between £17,000 and £20,000 a year.
Compared to graduates, you come out without a loan around your neck. And in terms of thinking about an apprenticeship, why engineering? Well, if you look at it, you can do a broad foundation in engineering, and then afterwards, with that foundation stone in place, you could do whatever you want.
Once an apprenticeship is finished, they will be readily taken on by their employer. An employer doesn't invest 4 years of time in an apprentice then just to turn them away at the door. They will then, depending upon what pathway they've been following or what program they've been following, they'll go either into as a maintenance engineer, manufacturing engineer, quality engineer, and start progressing from there.
I would say the first key skill needed is a desire to work. But then fundamentally, you need to be good with your hands, you need to be practical, you need to be logical. It's those sorts of skills that are really needed.